Hey, are you searching for good quality best camping gadgets? But it is very difficult for you which one is best among these camping gadgets. Don't worry, I help you make a decision. I have done a lot of research, read a lot of reviews, and then came to a conclusion about which camping gadgets are the best and much helpful for people like you. If you want to know the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, watch the video without wasting any time. Number 1. Wacaco Nanopresso Portable Espresso Maker. The Wacaco Nanopresso Portable Espresso Maker, the first camping device on our list, will add a touch of home life to every morning you wake up and camp. You may have a delicious cup of coffee anytime, and a place thanks to the manual operation of the portable espresso maker, which is powered by neither electricity nor power. Using a pumping method, it produces great espresso that will get you moving in the morning and prepared for your daily outdoor adventures in 25 to 35 pumps. The portable espresso machine is straightforward, simple to use, and simple to clean. It is also lightweight and small enough to fit easily into a backpack. Not only is it ideal for hiking, but it also brews delicious coffee. And for those of you who enjoy coffee, you can also purchase a variety of accessories to enhance your off-grid barista experience. Number 2. Camco Deluxe Folding Grill Table. The following camping tool on the list is more of a method for having a fantastic BBQ when car camping than a tool in the traditional sense. The Camco Deluxe Folding Grill Table folds up small into its carrying case so that it can fit in the trunk of your car, and is ideal for large cookouts. One of the largest grilling tables available with such small and portable proportions weighs only 6 pounds and folds up to 37x 19x 6 inches. The main grill table, 2 side tables, a storage rack, and hanging hooks for all of your grilling tools are all present after it has been unfolded. The table is composed of aluminum for strength and resistance to corrosion, although this does imply that it gets warm in the sun. The side tables are made of fiberboard, which works well for placing hot objects on them but can warp if stored in wet conditions. Although it's not designed for backpacking, it's ideal for a friend or family vehicle camping trip when you want to have a substantial supper. Number 3. Therm-a-Rest Compressible Travel Pillow. I never bring a pillow camping. They're too huge, so I told my clothing and get a backache every morning. Once I found the Therm-a-Rest travel pillow, those days were over. This 1.05 pounds camping pillow shrinks to fit in any pack space. It's manufactured from polyester and Therm-a-Rest mattress foam. Deflated, the pillow is 4 inches thick and the polyester shell is velvety. These pillows are cozy in a sleeping bag. Cleaning the pillow is simple. Throw it in the washer, let it dry, and bounce it to restore the loft. It's pricey for a pillow, but it's worth it for a comfortable night's sleep, and with care, you'll only need one in your lifetime. Number 4. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. What's more vital than fresh, pure water? Our next camping gizmo makes this possible, as long as there's water. The LifeStraw Personal Water Filter filters out 99.9999% of waterborne bacteria and 99.9% of waterborne protozoan parasites. Its 0.2 micron filter removes even the dirtiest water's impurities, so you can keep hydrated in any situation. One LifeStraw can filter 1,000 gallons or 4,000 liters of water, enough for more than a month. It's light and tiny, so it fits effortlessly in a backpack. When used as a straw, it requires a lot of effort, yet it works in an emergency. LifeStraw gives clean water to a child for a year with each purchase, so buying this camping device is a worthwhile investment. Number 5. Scrubba Portable Wash Bag. For those of us who spend a lot of time outside and need a quick and easy way to wash some dirty clothes, the last camping device is for you. A waterproof bag with an inside scrubbing board is called the Scrubba Portable Wash Bag. You can fold it down to fit in your hand and it weighs only 0.3 pounds, so you'll have no trouble fitting it into your pack. The simplest way to use it is to fill the bag with clothes, laundry soap, and water before sealing it. After that, scrub the scrubbing board with your clothing and let them soak. The last steps involve draining and washing the soap off. All done. Although there is a 1-year warranty included and the wash bag itself is rather robust, the constant cleaning eventually causes some leaks and wears out the seams a little. In any case, this is a fantastic option if you've been searching for a quick and easy power-free method to wash your clothes while traveling.
This video is helpful for you. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell button for more videos. And also check the description box for mention each product link. Thanks for watching this video.